3.8 Reading time. Listen, repeat and read. Nani's glasses. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. Nani keeps losing her glasses. Where did I keep them? She always asks. So she needs me to be her eyes, to find her own eyes. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on her bed, and sometimes on her head. I looked everywhere. In all the usual places on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. No glasses. No luck. I asked her what she had done the whole day. She said, I did nothing much today. Some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. Now, I had many clues. I quickly looked around new places in the house. Aha! I found the missing glasses. Look and say. Glasses. Bathroom. Cupboard. Usual. Favorite. Knitting. Kitchen. Garden. Wrapped. Dining. Missing. Clues. Yarn. Quickly. Everywhere. 3.